Place your bets. Oh, oh wow. Oh, tell me what that one is. Hello, people of the world. This is Jason is Lost here in 2018. So happy New Year to you all. I hope you're all well. And this is my typical New Year's video once again. So shinnen akimashite omedetou gozaimasu. And here we are. So, Fukubukuro. What are Fukubukuro? Well, every year from the 1st of January, lots of Japanese retailers, stores, companies, they'll put together these Fukubukuro, these lucky bags, and they're essentially mystery bags. So they're for sale, they're filled with all sorts of things, and you're getting quite a bargain. It's typically all the items that haven't sold well during the year, but they lump them all together, stick them in a bag, and they're heavily discounted. And what do I have? Well, I have this. This is a Fukubukuro box that I bought off eBay. This is from a seller that sells anime stuff, computer game stuff. So I thought I'd take a gamble, buy this off eBay and see what was inside. They actually asked me to make some requests, so they could at least try and cater it to me. So there could be Ghost in the Shell, could be Pokemon, of course, Studio Ghibli, what else, Bleach, One Piece, Sanrio, Gudetama, Nintendo, anything. So it's not in a bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it. I'm going to stick it in this Morrison's bag, which is lovingly adorned with pears. So it's a proper Fukubukuro. Yeah? You on board? You playing along? Going in the bag, and no one's the wiser. It doesn't fit, does it? Eee. No, I can't. Alright, I'm going to dump it all inside and we'll just do it from scratch. Alright, so the pear Fukubukuro is all ready to go. Let's start. So I paid £30 plus shipping, about 33 quid. So there's 33 British pounds. Let's see what's inside. A lot of soft stuff. Oh! Alright, yeah. I doubt they'd see my videos. That's silly. Oh man, how did they know? Yeah, so I've got a little Snorlax. Snorlax is actually my favourite. Snorlax, yeah. Alright, what's next? Alright, something small. Oh wow, what's this? Pokemon. Dog tags. So these are metal tags and it's got their measurements and weights on the back, which is really cool if you're a fan of Corfish and Groudnaught. What's this? Oh, so okay. So literally, when I said Pokemon, they were like, I'm on board. Got little. Guess it's a keychain. This is a Bulbasaur little keychain thing. Christmas keychain as well. Unless, well, not necessarily. It's just Bulbasaur in a sock. It's just Bulbasaur in a sock. What is this? Oh wow, good. Okay, got a little Gudetama little thing. This could be like from one of those little gachapons, the little collectors, little items there. What is that? So Gudetama, if you don't know Gudetama, he's like a lazy egg who's a bit depressed, just wants to stay in bed all day. I don't think I described it right. Right, okay, this one. It's an anime. I think it's... Yeah, that says Arietti. There's a Ghibli one called something Arietti. Karigurashi no Ariete. I think in English it's like Arietti's Secret World or Secret World of Arietti, maybe, I think. It's a pop wallet, not Velcro. Let's see. Okay, so it's actually got the kind of wallet that I like. It's got lots of pockets, but also the see-through thing, which is cool for your ID. Doesn't look too cheap either. What we got here? This is... Oh, cool. Okay, so this is... Well, there was a couple in there, I felt. So this is a postcard from Kiki's delivery service. I'm going to get the other ones here. That one is Nausicaa, I think. That would be Spirited Away. And last one. Oh, we've got Totoro and Cat Bus there. Some postcards. Ghibli postcards. This is a poster. What do you think? Place your bets. You'll see before me. Okay, it's Naruto. An anime I know nothing about. Never watched it myself. All I know is that I'm really good at the game. My housemates here, Donovan and Sanj, we've got this Naruto game that I picked up a couple of times. I was pretty good at it and beat them a lot. Right, there's been quite a large one in here that I've been avoiding, so I'm going to grab one of the smaller ones. What's that? Holy moly. Okay, so it's Pikachu. Dressed as a Mexican wrestler? Like, this is a phone charm, Japanese phone charm. Everyone has them in Japan. They're sold everywhere. Yeah, he looks like a Mexican wrestler to me. What is this? Oh, it's another postcard. Oh, tell me what that one is. Alright, so lastly, no, what's this? What's shaking then? Okay, I've got one Pikachu sock. 2016 as well. It's obsolete. This is a child's sock. What am I going to do with it? I hope the other sock's in here. There we go. Alright, this must be the last one. Yeah. And what the oh man, okay. It's it's Totoro. It's Totoro bag. That's quite cute. That's quite cool. What's the? Oh, I really like the zip. The zip is a little Totoro metal. What's in this? That's pretty cool. Got a little Totoro thing there. That's cool. Always love a bit of Totoro. That's really cool. Is it for me though? That's the thing. Yeah? What do you think? And that's our Fukubukuro unboxing from Anime Zone. They're a shop on eBay. Not an advertisement. I didn't get paid for this. I just thought I'd buy it and take a gamble. And did it pay off? I don't know. But I do have a cool Totoro bag. Half the fun actually is the not knowing what you're getting and unboxing it. Like I said last year in my previous video, it's a gamble. And if you haven't seen my previous video, oh my god, it's a little doggy. I was assuming I'd get a hat for my cat. Sweet, it's already paid for itself. Do check that out. It's a very interesting experience. So that's it for our Fukubukuro unboxing. I'm going to leave it there. Thank you very much for watching, and a happy new year to all of you. All the best, and good luck in all of your endeavours. One of the things I like the most about doing this channel is not just the encouragement from everyone, but all of the questions from people, getting the chance to talk to people, answer questions, everyone's likes and views and subscribing and all of that. Really appreciate it, and it's a lot of fun. Here's to another year of having some good adventures together. So I will leave it there, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Snorlax, yeah.